Liver disease is a significant global health issue. Chronic liver diseases, including hepatitis B and C, alcoholic liver disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and liver cirrhosis, affect millions of people worldwide. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, an estimated 1.16 billion people worldwide are affected by liver diseases, including both adults and children. In the United States, an estimated 42.7 million people are affected by liver disease. But don't worry, because you can cleanse your liver within as early as 1 week with these 6 miracle drinks that I'm going to show you in today's video. Without any further delay, let's begin. Number 1. Green tea. The compounds in green tea that help cleanse the liver are called catechins. Catechins are a type of polyphenol and have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. EGCG is the most abundant catechin in green tea and is also the most active form of catechins. EGCG and other catechins in green tea have been shown to help reduce the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and to improve liver function in people with hepatitis B virus infection. Studies show that catechins help to promote the liver's detoxification functions by increasing the production of certain enzymes that break down toxins. They also help to reduce inflammation in the liver, which is a major factor in many liver diseases. And because of their antioxidant properties, catechins can protect the liver from free radical damage or oxidative stress. Green tea is also mildly diuretic in nature, which means it promotes the production of urine, which helps eliminate toxins and extra fluids from your body and helps in detoxification. You can drink 2 to 3 cups every day to help cleanse your liver and to support its overall health. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Turmeric latte. Also known as the golden milk, turmeric latte can help to cleanse the liver in a few ways. First, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin can help to protect the liver from damage and promote its detoxification functions. Second, turmeric can help to reduce inflammation in the liver, which is a major factor in many liver diseases. Third, turmeric can help to increase the production of bile, which is a fluid that helps the liver to break down fats and eliminate toxins. In fact, turmeric has been shown to help reduce the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and liver fibrosis. Plus, it has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve liver function in people with hepatitis C virus infection. To prepare a turmeric latte, you will need the following ingredients. 1 cup milk of your choice, such as cow's milk, almond milk, or coconut milk. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, ½ teaspoon ground ginger, ¼ teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup for sweetness if you like. Now heat the milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it is steaming. Add the turmeric, ginger, and black pepper to the milk and stir slowly to dissolve them. Then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 minutes, or until the milk is heated through. Then put it into a mug and add honey or maple syrup to your taste and preference for sweetness. The golden milk is ready. It is generally safe to drink turmeric latte 1 to 2 times per day. But if you already have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications, then it's best to consult your healthcare expert to find out if it's safe for you to drink. Number 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a rich source of betaine, an antioxidant that helps protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Betaine is also involved in a process called methylation, which plays a major role in liver detoxification, in addition to hormonal balance, DNA health, and mood regulation. Beetroots are also high in other antioxidants, including vitamin C and various phytonutrients. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which could damage your liver. Beetroots are also naturally high in nitrates, which can be converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps improve your blood flow, which supports detoxification and healthy liver function. So if you want some nutritional support in your body's natural detoxification process and cleansing of the liver, beetroot juice is a pretty good option. You don't need to drink a lot of it to get the benefits. Just a single glass each day can give your liver the support it needs. Simply wash 2 to 3 medium-sized beetroots and 1 to 2 apples. You can also add a bit of ginger if you like. Then cut them into pieces, toss them in a blender, add some water, and blend until it's smooth. And you're good to go. Number 4. Lemon water. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. So it can protect your liver from damage caused by free radicals. Lemon water also contains citric acid, which has an alkalizing effect inside the body. This alkalizing effect helps to maintain a balanced pH environment in your body, aiding in detoxification. Lemon water is also an excellent way to keep yourself hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for the removal of extra fluids and toxins by your body and essential for healthy liver function as well. Making lemon water is a simple task. All you need is a glass of warm or room temperature water and half a fresh lemon. Squeeze the juice from that lemon half into the water, give it a little stir, and you're all set. You can also add a pinch of turmeric or cayenne pepper to your lemon water for extra benefits. It's best to drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. You can also drink it during the day after having your meals. Number 5. Ginger tea. Ginger contains a bioactive compound called gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can negatively affect liver health, and gingerol's anti-inflammatory effects help reduce inflammation in the liver and throughout the body. Ginger is also well known for its digestive benefits. By promoting healthy digestion and reducing digestive discomfort, ginger tea indirectly supports the liver's role in processing and metabolizing nutrients. Ginger has also been linked to improved blood circulation. This enhanced circulation can benefit liver function by facilitating the transport of nutrients and oxygen to liver cells. But probably the best thing about ginger is that it helps reduce the level of triglycerides in your body. Too much of these fats can deposit around the liver and then around your abdomen. This can cause fatty liver disease, obesity, and other related issues. Ginger also helps improve your metabolism, making your body more efficient in burning stored fats when you exercise. To make ginger tea, you'll need a piece of fresh ginger root, about the size of your thumb. First, peel the ginger and cut it into thin slices. Then, bring a cup of water to a boil. Add the ginger slices to the boiling water and let them simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your taste preference. If you like, you can sweeten your tea with a bit of honey or a splash of lemon for added flavor. Finally, strain the tea into a cup and it's ready to enjoy. Number 6. Coconut water. One of the best things about coconut water is that it supports the natural detoxification mechanism of the body, mainly by supporting good digestive health. So when you have a healthy digestive system, it helps ensure that your body can effectively eliminate toxins, including the ones that could be bad for the liver. Plus, its antioxidant properties, which come from vitamin C and polyphenols, help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation in the liver. Plus, they help in the efficient breakdown of liver fat and clearing out excess fat from your liver, leaving it lean and healthy. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.